Okay, well, I don't know if y'all can tell, but it's slightly raining and it's wet outside. Oh, but I got convinced to go to bike night. I know. Probably bad decisions. Oh, I don't know how I ended up in this predicament here. I genuinely don't know, actually. You know, I am not anti-rain, but I am anti-rain. But Cycle Gear is having their bike night, and I am busy every Tuesday normally. So I'm going to go to this one, and hopefully everything is at least people are there. That's what I'm hoping. At least people are there. I'm going to meet one of my buddies, because if he wasn't going, I would not be going. So if y'all are watching this from the Instagram, just know I would not be going if it wasn't for my buddy. Well, now why is this part of the road dry? Wait, all of this is dry. I'm wondering if the rain just hasn't gotten here yet. Oh, let's see if we can dry off a little bit. Okay, we dry out here. This is what matters. All right, we're dry off out here. That over there looks dangerous, but we actually don't have to go that way. We have to go back the other way. And the other way looks just as bad. Okay, didn't know that. I'm gonna have to make sure to tell my buddy, look, we're taking it easy today, buddy. We ain't on that bullshit. You know, my worry is not that he'll be on bullshit, because knowing him, he probably will. Significantly younger, makes rash decisions. It just is what it is. My thing is, I'm in the low power mode. So if he try to line up next to me, he's gonna think he's faster than me, because he don't have a low power mode. He got all or nothing. You know that buddy that they think that they're fast, and anytime they get an opportunity to kind of pass you or kind of be a little bit faster than you, even if you let them, they refuse to just run with that. They just gotta take it too far. This is the guy I'm going to meet. Very good friend, very good rider. He's really developed a lot as a rider. Very good asshole. He is an asshole. I wonder if I can say that on YouTube. I don't know. Very good butthole. Oh man, that just sounds a little. Yeah, move my way on through here. I don't even think my guy is here yet. All right. Okay, I'm here. I'll be here. All right. Well, this just turned into a rescue mission, because apparently his bike just shut off. He's literally right down the street and his bike shut off. I'm gonna try to catch this light real quick. He said he on this corner. I don't see him though. I literally don't see him. I don't see him at all. He say he's on the corner, and I don't see him. Oh, I see him. He's right there. rescuing? Now, how did this happen? BUSAKILLA got to rescue another BUSAKILLA. It just cut off?
It should just, I was stopped right there, and it should just cut off. I saw the oil light, and it cut off. Shit will not come back on, man. I had to get to my battery. Fucking bullshit.
Is this still rigged up to your battery?
Yeah.
Is this started when you put this back on there, or when you put this on there?
You said, was it working?
No, I'm saying like the battery problem, because you wasn't having battery problems before.
No.
That's where you want to push it. I don't think it's too steep. It's just wet out here. All right, you ready? You good? Hold on, Zelina. Get a big fucking bike, they said, huh?
I know.
Hold on, yeah.
Alright.
Alright, you got it?
Yeah, I think I got it.
Alright, let's.
Okay, oh shit. Stop, pull in the clutch and push this shit. Alright.
Alright.
I think I got it.
Yeah, get on it, and I if you sit on it, I can push you forward.
I think I got the roll now.
Alright, you ready? Just take it easy off that curb. Alright. Ready?
Alright. Sorry, fuck your day up, man.
You ain't fuck my day up, man. Hey, look. I'm gonna make a fucking YouTube out of this shit. If you can't get it fixed, give me a call. We can see if we can get that bitch in my truck. But it's gonna be hard as fuck to get it in there. I'm gonna just tell you that now. That kind of fucking sucks. Now I feel bad because I asked him if he was gonna come out. But you know how these bikes are. You never know what can fucking happen. My nuts are a little wet. Hopefully I can get a thumbnail out of the footage. And it's a little bit dry out here, so I might be able to push it a little bit. Yeah, we pushed it a little bit. Alright, here's our turn. We are gonna go over here. This fucking mic is in my mouth. Oh crap, which way do I go? I do this every fucking time. I think I'll go this way. That's getting off, yeah, I'll go this way. Gotta love some good traffic. Alright, well, clearly this day hasn't gone 100% according to plan. However, there's always a bright side. We're healthy and we're good out here. Like, we're out here. Holy crapola. Not a lot of bikes at all. Well, still a something, you know. Still a something. Still is something. Still is something. If you want to ride, let me know.
You hit me up, goddamn. You try to get out.
Oh yeah. That rain hitting, boy. All right. Now we gotta act like we got some sense because that rain is here. That's what I'm talking about, man. I do want to start having meets with you guys. Look, I know I'm not a big creator, but I have around 50,000 on TikTok, growing on Instagram, and I know people want to hang out and just ride, just chill, and I know plenty of spots where we can do that at. Holy fanoli. that's tough. Of course, I'm the one that gets wet. Ah, something's crawling on me. I need help. I need help. Sparkling license plate, I need help. I kind of knew this was going to happen. It's like I'm not even salty because I kind of knew this was going to happen. I literally said it. I said it. Now I got to dry all my clothes and my shoes and my gloves. Everybody knew this was going to happen. I looked at the weather. I got pre-rained on. I left while it was drizzling, and I still came out. Stupidity? Maybe.